Welcome to our DASYLab video. We will show you how easy it is to use the µUniDAQ. This is a data acquisition device. We will use it with an accelerometer. In this video, we show you how DASYLab can be used with the µUniDAQ. So let's start here. We select the µUniDAQ from the left toolbar. Here, the symbol is placed in the left top corner of the circuit diagram. One must select the right value for the connected sensor. To make sure that we have a valid signal, we choose the digital display and connect it with the output of the µUniDAQ. As you can see here, it works fine. Let's move on and add a linearization. We enter the slope A and the offset B. Furthermore, instead of the voltage, we fill in G for the unit. To visualize the measurement data, we choose the YT diagram. To make sure the measurement is display, it makes sense to select the autoscale functionality.
Let us test the setting and start a measurement. The YT diagram shows the dynamic signal as we move the accelerometer.
If one wants to see the measurement progress, it makes sense to select the recorder. Here we fill in the limits. The sensor has a range of plus and minus 15 G. Let's fill in the minimum value of -20 and the upper value of 20. As soon as we start the measurement, the recorder shows the overall values, and the YT diagram displays the dynamic data. Now we want to save the measurement data. In DASYLab, this can also be done in a very convenient way. Just select the right data symbol and add it to the circuit board. In this example, we choose the TXT file format for the output. Next, we define the destination folder and the right file name.
If you like this video and you want to get more information about data acquisition and sensors, please subscribe.
Let's start the measurement again and move the sensor. When we stop the measurement, we can check the result in the stored data file. We can use Excel to open the file. We select the column with the accelerometer data. To display the values, we choose the line diagram. I hope you liked the short introduction to the µUniDAQ. In combination with the DASYLab, it is a straightforward method to acquire measurement data quickly.
Here are the key issues that sets the µUniDAQ apart from other data loggers. 4 channels. 24-bit resolution, galvanically isolated, 2.5 volts or 5 volt DC measuring bridge supply, sampling rate, up to 128 kilosamples per second, software support through DASYLab and C++ driver and Python API.